Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to verify your identity on Revolut. So whether you're setting up a new account or unlocking features, I will guide you through the process step by step. So to begin, follow these steps. Open the Revolut application. Now log into your account and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. After doing this, you'll have to simply select verification and limits to start the process. Now, next, you will need to submit a valid ID because Revolut accepts passports, driver's license, and national ID card. Take a clear photo of the front and back if required and avoid glare and ensure that all details are readable. To confirm it's really you, Revolut will ask for a live selfie verification. Position your face within the frame and follow the on-screen instructions. Blink, nod, or turn your head if required. Once done, Revolut will process verification usually within a few minutes to 24 hours. And that's it. Once verified, you can enjoy higher limits, international transfer, and more. If this helped, like and subscribe for more finance tips. See you in the next one.